When you meet people, what do? You greet. You can greet per the time of the day, or you can say hello, which is ele. Ele, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí gbàgede Tana dùn. Orúkọ mi ni Tana, èmi sì lolùkọ́ yín lórí gbàgede yìí. Ibi ni a ti ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá, tí a sì ti ń kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà Yorùbá lápapọ̀. In this video, we shall be learning simple introductions, how to introduce yourself when you meet people. You will learn how to greet, say your name, say where you come from, say what you like doing, your hobbies, your favorite food, and what you do. Let's get right into it. First of all, when you meet people, what do? You greet. In Yoruba, you can greet per the time of the day, as we learned in the previous video. Or you can say hello, which is enle, the way I always say at the beginning of my videos. Enle o. Enle, that is hello. You can go ahead to ask about their welfare by saying ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà or ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ wà. You can also say báwo ni, but báwo ni is used for only people that you are familiar with. And if you're using it for an adult, someone who is older than you, you should say báwo ni ma, or for a man, báwo ni sà. But most appropriately, báwo ni is used for friends and people that are younger than you. For people who are older than you, you should say ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà or ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà. In this context, since you're meeting with a stranger and introducing yourself to them, the appropriate thing to say is ẹnlẹ́, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà, or ẹ káàárọ̀, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà. After you have greeted, the next thing you should go on to say is your name. To say your name, you say orúkọ mi ni Tana. Orúkọ is name, mi is my, ni is, and Tana is my name. So, orúkọ mi ni Tana. My name is Tana. Next, say where you come from. To say where you come from, you simply say mo wá láti. I come from. Now, depending on whether you want to say your state, your hometown, or your country, you can say either of these. Mo wá láti ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì. Mo wá láti ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì. I come from Ekiti State. Mo wá láti ìlú Ìbàdàn. I come from Ìbàdàn town. Mo wá láti orílẹ̀-èdè Nigeria. I come from Nigeria. To say what you do, you say iṣẹ́ òǹkọ̀wé ni mò ń ṣe. Of course, you'll have to learn what your profession is in Yoruba language. As a tutor, I would say iṣẹ́ olùkọ́ ni mò ń ṣe. I am a teacher. To say your hobbies, you would say mo fẹ́ràn, I enjoy. So you can now say what it is that you enjoy doing. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jáde. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa rìnrìn àjò. To say what your favorite food is, you would say oúnjẹ tí mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹ ni iyán àti ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí. So, having broken down all the parts, now let's put it all together. You greet, say your name, where you come from, what you do, your hobbies, and your favorite food. Ẹ káàárọ̀, orúkọ mi ni Tana. Mo wá láti ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Iṣẹ́ olùkọ́ Yorùbá ni mò ń ṣe. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. Oúnjẹ tí mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹ ni iyán àti ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí. So that is how to introduce yourself when you meet people. Go ahead and try it out by introducing yourself in the comment section below. In the next video, you will learn how to meet people, what you should say when you meet people, and how to ask them to introduce themselves. Matumari nínú fọ́nrán mi. Ó dàbọ̀.